Hello, everyone. Welcome to the NewsBrowse News broadcast. CBS News reports that the World Health Organization, WHO, has officially declared the ongoing Ebola outbreak in 2 African countries a global health emergency. This significant declaration, known as a Public Health Emergency of International Concern, PHIC, underscores the severe and potentially widespread threat posed by the deadly Ebola virus. The outbreaks, which have affected communities in multiple locations, have prompted international concern due to the virus's high fatality rate and its potential for rapid spread if not contained effectively. Imtiaz Tyab reports on the latest developments, highlighting the urgent need for coordinated international efforts and resources to manage and mitigate the crisis, protect vulnerable populations, and prevent further global transmission. This declaration aims to galvanize global attention and support for a more robust and unified response. According to the Liberty Times, the United Arab Emirates' only nuclear power plant, Barakah, was attacked by 3 drones on May 17. One drone struck a power facility, igniting a fire. This incident marks the first time an Emirati nuclear installation has been directly targeted in a regional conflict. While no radiation leakage was reported, the event underscores the escalating danger posed by Middle East conflicts to critical energy and nuclear infrastructure. The UAE Ministry of Defense confirmed that the drones originated from Saudi Arabia, with 2 being intercepted and 1 hitting the periphery of the Barakah plant. The International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA, noted that the fire occurred in a power generator unit, forcing 1 reactor to temporarily rely on backup diesel generators. Following the attack, U.S. President Trump issued a stern warning to Iran on social media, stating that Tehran's time was running out and threatening devastating consequences. In response, Iran's supreme leader's military advisor, Mohsen Rezai, declared that the armed forces had fingers on the trigger, indicating readiness for engagement. UAE Foreign Affairs advisor Anwar Gargash described the attack as a dangerous escalation. Both UAE and U.S. air defense units remain on high alert, with site safety and power system damage assessments expected to conclude on May 19. The Israel Defense Forces, IDF, announced on Saturday, May 16, 2026, that it successfully killed Hamas military leader Izz al-Din al-Haddad in a precise strike carried out in Gaza City the previous day. According to the Epoch Times, al-Haddad was identified as one of the primary architects behind the October 7, 2023, attack on Israel. The IDF statement indicated that al-Haddad had been actively working to reconstruct the military capabilities of Hamas and was involved in orchestrating new terrorist attacks against Israeli civilians and forces. Hamas spokesperson Hazem Qasem confirmed al-Haddad's death. IDF Chief of Staff Eyal Zamir welcomed the operation as a significant operational victory, noting al-Haddad's responsibility for past atrocities and vowing continued pursuit of those involved in the October 7th massacre. Al Jazeera reports that the White House has announced that following talks between U.S. President Donald Trump and Chinese leader Xi Jinping, China will purchase at least $17 billion worth of agricultural goods from the United States annually through 2028. Additionally, the deal includes China's commitment to buy at least 87 million metric tons of U.S. soybeans, restore market access for U.S. beef by renewing listings for over 400 facilities, and resume poultry imports from states free of avian influenza. 2 new bodies, the U.S.-China Board of Trade and the U.S.-China Board of Investment, are also to be established to manage bilateral trade. However, China has not yet confirmed or commented on the White House's announcement, and the Chinese embassy in Washington, D.C. did not immediately respond to a request for comment. Deborah Elms of the Hinrich Foundation expressed skepticism about announcements made unilaterally, noting that even if the purchases materialize, the $17 billion annually would provide only a minor boost to the U.S.'s $30 trillion economy. The summit itself was characterized by pageantry rather than concrete agreements, with sensitive issues such as Taiwan and the U.S.-Israel war on Iran largely skirted. They'd see, current apple. NH cried, tenoform, and howling and in the mishmart. NH tringle bivacals, beker as the hurten, lubtod quida some test form, as no of dog ras, div felly. H, make, ev, an expert with open nuclear network. Thus, die Wanchers was afkapastic to steld by the cabase of Kudrees. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.